time and a place to kill it. I spill it, leak documents from a flaming tongue. Rappers acting so saintly, but not long ago you were baking cuz. And now they catch the aroma, wonder what the kid is baking up. Had a little secret ingredient they're needing, get something for waking up. My flow was caffeine and I'm the black king of spades. Among smaller cards and that scream you hear is mad heat. I am the daddy of cracking the bones of the flashiest chic. No fucks given, as I grow up in a robust prison. Everything I think I need is already given. For some reason I am hardly living. Physical needs are what can't be controlled. Drinking candy, take away a soul. Can't tell the difference between hot and cold. My senses are dimmed and I'm sold. But as the credits start to roll, I wake up and I miss the movie. The people around me are swarming like they just saw something that's dooming. Now they're telling me that I miss a lot and I gotta go back and see it. Yet everyone who was watching came out that bitch with a crooked demeanor. These subtleties and half-truths are running my country at large. Shipping this garbage by every ocean, I'm about to sink the barge. Health, war, famine, and money, get rid of those and we have no country. What happened to thinking people love me? These relationships feel so ugly. It's like we're speaking on the surface, but something sounds scripted about all the verbiage. Like everything we think came from another person, and we didn't take time to think if it's worth it. To act as a service to only a few human perspectives. Now we got humanity's section by politics, culture, religion, perspective. None of us have accurate depth perception. It's been messed with, and I feel headless. No wonder I'm trying to convert that dude in the uniform to a dead bitch. Get this, my head is full of death, cause it's a dead shit full of phantoms and redness on the walls from bloodshed. No angels left in heaven, and in turn I'm the one they sent in. Close your eyes and get in. This is one hell of a head trip. Most isolated, now watch that echo. I'm isolated everywhere like presto. I don't really know how to keep a friend. Something that they don't get though. And that sparks Mike Roscoe. Now I'm fucking with all your heads, yo. Through the scope rooftop and I'm bent low. Between heaven and ghetto, it appears that I'm on top now. Figured out there's layers to the shit. Apply to the cycle, now I can keep riding vibrant fineness when I pipe these hits. And I like this shit. Feels good, expelling this energy. Anyone who comes this way looking for trouble is immediately gonna be sent to me. Something like a silent undertaker. I don't really need to do too much. Just sit here with the mirror to your face till you either decide to wake up or lose touch. I didn't come to make the choice for you. Fuck off if you choose not to make it. Excuse my hatred, I try not to say this. Just leave it for now and then use it verbatim. Tribe mates tell me stay up. I extend the same love to the same ones. What a world, man, is filled with fake ones. Settled in lakefronts, trying to shake up the whole scene. They lean on the things from the beams of the TV screens, latching on every single get-rich scheme. That's not the dream, and they're taking yours free. Hey Spike, why the fuck you gotta go there? We bump your music when we're drinking and we kick it. Friends and family, drinking liquor, good spirits. A lot of people I know don't wanna hear this. You're really asking for it, sonny. I really don't wanna do it. You insist on doubting everything I say and challenging the movement. Then the troops are called in. I was going easy on them, now I'm all in. Think you're strong enough? Then take us all then. Put a mask over the Sultan. Somewhere dark we assault him. Kill the king, kill the prince, kill them all then. Open the doors to the children of the fallen. An army of dictators couldn't match my space invaders. Take them in the trachea, if not mindful of what they're saying. And I'm not playing, I know it sounds pretended. I might be quite pretentious. Here's some knowledge I'm lending. My name withholds a legend of a king losing his head in. That's my definition of he who had descended.
Komentau lirnane खोन्थाहरनो बावनाङा वालसिं आदानि जानायखौ बोरै नुदों बेखौ खोन्थाहरबानो जाबाय लोगोफोर थिग दं वाव नायदो लोगोफोर वालसिंआ मारै जाना दिन्थिगासिनो लोगोफोरा लुगैदों लुगैयाखै वाव टेस्टी लोगोफोर मालाबाफोर नोंथांमोनाबो सुखि फैबोला बेफोरबायदि माने रेस्टुरेन्ट दङ नै बे रेस्टुरेन्टाव माने जिरायनानै माने बेफोरबायदि जिरायग्रा दङ थ' बिदि जिरायनानै माने जानो हागोन आरो फ्राइड राइस चिकेन राइस चाउमिन मम' गासिखौबो मोनगोन आरो थ' लोगोफोर मालाबा फैबा जाबानो जाबाय अके थ' जों दा जानायाव लाहार फाहार खालामसै जाथ'नोसै थ' नोंथांमोना दसे नेथ'दो boleh isi ahibu perlu itu juga perjuangan berena fit dah tanggung sini dari stasiun sini juga perame aku berhenti खबरान दो फैबाय बेराय बेराय गिदिं गिदिं फैबाय इन्जय खालामना फैबाय आरो सुकि गेटआव जोङो रेस्टुरेन्टआव मेगि जाबाय दै लोंबाय आरो बेनिफ्राय फैयै बेराय बेराय फैयै जोंनिया सासे लोगो दंमोन बेयाव हाबबाय लोगोनियाव हाबबाय लोगोनियाव हाबनानै गाइखेरनि सास सिनि होनाय गोदै बिस्कुटजों निमकिजों भुजियाजों मिक्सार खालामनानै जोंनो जाहोना हरबाय ओरैबादि मोजां नांबायना साहाखौ लोंनानै गाइखेरनि साहा गथा लोंनानै फैबाय जोङो दा थांगासिनो गथ'फोर लोगोफोर थांदोंसै
Okay. You've made a mistake saying I cannot run this race. It's playtime, I'm gonna crush your face. This is not a fucking phase. Hey guys, I know you feel that bass. Roll with that until you see my face. Rising from a thick layer of fog. Midnight, there's a time and a place to kill it. I spill it, leak documents from a flaming tongue. Rappers acting so saintly when not long ago you were baking, cuz. And now they catch the aroma, wonder what the kid is baking up. Add a little secret ingredient, they're needing is something for waking up. My flow was caffeine and I'm the black king of spades. Among smaller cards and that scream you hear is mad heat. I am the daddy of cracking the bones of the flashy and chic. No fucks given, as I grow up in a robust prison. Everything I think I need is already given. For some reason I am hardly living. Physical needs are what can't be controlled. Give a kid candy, take away his soul. Can't tell the difference between hot and cold. My senses are dimmed and I'm sold. But as the credits start to roll, I wake up and I miss the movie. The people around me are swarming like they just saw something that's dooming. Now they're telling me that I miss a lot and I gotta go back and see it. Yet everyone who was watching came at that bitch with a crooked demeanor. These subtleties and half-truths are running my country at large. Shipping this garbage by every ocean, I'm about to sink the barge. Health, war, famine, and money, get rid of no country. What happened to thinking people love me? These relationships feel so ugly. It's like we're speaking on the surface, but something sounds scripted about all the verbiage, like everything.
लोगोफोर जोङो नै बेजोंहाय जोङो दहाय फैदोंमोन ओमफ्राय बेजा दै गोजा माने ओमफ्राय दै गोजाखाय माने बेजा थांला मानो होनब्ला उसुबिदा जादों न गोबां उसुबिदा जादों जन्था खुनो लागा जादों गारि नारनो लागा जादों आरो लोगोसेनो लंपेन्टआबो सिदों गतिके बेजा थांला जोङो दा थांसिगोन जोङो नै बेजों थांसिगोन जोङो बेजों माने थमथमा मोनहैगोन आरो बागानपारा जानानै थांसिगोन जोङो थमथमा जानानै गतिके बे साइड थांसि जोङो थेवबो बिदिब्ला लोगोफोर नायबाय थादो नोंथांमोना आन्दार एसे माने सायाथ' पसिट Nutubar, oh, kau ada sih. আমার কাছে এটা কি পারফেক্ট লাগে जोंना बुटमलनि माने आलासि दंमोन तो बे आलासि लानाव जोङो हाबनानै एसे नास्ता खालामबाय नास्ता खालामनानै दा जोङो न' फारसे थांगासिनो लोगोफोर जोङो दा बर्थमान स्कुटिखौ नायदो लोगोफोर थांगासिनो जों दासान्दि धमधमा मोनसिगोन धमधमानिफ्राय जों ओरै फाग्लादिया जानानै बारसिगोन थ' बिदिब्ला थ' लोगोफोर इजा धमधमा सिद्दा धमधमा थाङो इजानिफ्राय फैदोंमोन जोङो इजानिफ्राय फैदोंमोन दा इजा धमधमा इजाखालि धमधमा दा जोङो सिगां थांसिगोन इजाखालि थांसिगोन जोङो दा तामुलपुर थांसिगोन जोंनि आवाल सिङा दैया सलायगासिनो नायदो नायदो बिदिब्ला जोङो थांगासिनो इजाखालि फाग्लादिया मोनगोन जोङो इजा दलं दोङो खिन्थु टेनसन गैया गारि सलायगासिनो जोंना लोगोफोरा सानैया सिगां मोनबाय नायदो लोगोफोर नायदो थ' बिदिब्ला slowly tamane more raba ahi pale tamulpur pala ta bisot moi bundu namtu mane ar porisitu olop dibor karone অনুরোধ করিলু
মোৰ নাম নন্দিয়া শৰণীয়া
আচ্ছা
মই তামপুৰতে থাকো
হয়
আৰু চিভিল ইঞ্জিনিয়াৰিং কৰি আছো বিদেশত
বঢ়িয়া আৰু অৰিজিনেল ঘৰটো রামিচুগুৰি দংপা বুটমলদাৰ কি হয় ভৰ্তি হয় কেনেকৈ ভৰ্তি হয় আমাৰ বাবাৰ ভৰ্তি হয় আমাৰ মায়ের ফালৰ পৰা না নিজা ভণ্টি থেংক ইউ পৰিচিত দিয়াৰ বাবে বুটমল মাস্কটো ওলাই দিয়া নাই চিনাকিটো দিলে মাস্কটো এবাৰ ওলাই দিয়াচোন হাই বুলি কোৱা থেংক ইউ তো মানে মই আমি মানে ভালদৰে দেখা পোৱা নাছিলোঁতো সেইকাৰণে মাস্কটো ওলাব দিলোঁ এতিয়া ভালকৈ চাই লোৱা প্ৰতিজনক আৰু এনাই চালে নহ'ব দেই লাষ্টত মানে এটা লাইক হ'লেও দিবা গম পাইছা আপোনালোকক মই অনুৰোধ কৰিলোঁ আটাইকেইজনে যেন লাইক কৰে কমেণ্ট কৰে আৰু ভিডিঅ'টো শ্বেয়াৰ কৰে থেংক ইউ আহি পালোগৈ এতিয়া বুধমল কোম্পানী যাবা
ইফালে যাম
কোম্পানী
মটৰ চাইডে
অঁ
ইয়াতে এৰাই হ'ব
ঠিক আছে
ভাল লাগে সুন্দৰ লাগে
লাষ্ট আমি গোটেইকেইজনেও মানে আপোনালোকক বিদায় দিলোঁ আজিৰ ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানতে মানে মই সামৰি মাৰিলোঁ আপুনি কিবা ক'ব নেকি চেনেলৰ নামটো এবাৰ জনাই দিয়ক
বিআৰ ক্ৰিয়েশ্যন
বিআৰ ক্ৰিয়েশ্যন
গোটেইখিনি আজি সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিলে গতিকে চাই ভাল লাগিলে লাইক কমেণ্ট নকৰিব নাপাহৰিব
নিশ্চয়
মোৰ ভণ্টি বহুত ব্যস্ত আছে কথা বতৰা লৈ গ'লে
আপোনালোকে পাহৰিব নালাগে লাইক কমেণ্ট শ্বেয়াৰ হ'ব লাগে বিআৰ ক্ৰিয়েশ্যন
ছাৰৰ যিটো আছিলে সেইটো অলপ ছাবস্ক্ৰাইব মাৰি দিব আৰু লাইক কমেণ্ট মাৰ্ক সেইটোতো আপোনালোকক নক'লেও জানে ঠিক আছে
থেংক ইউ বাই বাই আজি ভিডিঅ'টো ইমানতে ৰাখিলোঁ নেক্সট ভিডিঅ' আকৌ লৈ আহিম আপোনালোকৰ মাজত নতুন টপিক লৈ পেলাই তো আজিলৈ বাই বাই